What you need is a hot glue gun, a pencil, X-ACTO knife, tape measure or a ruler, and bamboo skewers. I got this at Naivas. In case it's your first time here, it's so great to have you at my YouTube space. Now I post brand new home decor and DIY videos every single week here in Girlnextdoor. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have some insanely cool content coming your way. Take your tape measure or ruler and measure 20 centimeters, then cut the bamboo skewer using an X-ACTO knife. Cut 6 pieces. Since the bamboo skewers are 30 centimeters long and when you cut 20 centimeters, 10 centimeters is left, don't throw them away, we will be using all the 12 pieces. Measure and cut 6 more pieces at 12.5 centimeters long. Start by arranging the 12.5 centimeters long pieces in a hexagonal shape, then use the hot glue gun to join the pieces. Take the 10 centimeters long pieces and join one of their ends to the 6 edges of the hexagon shape using a hot glue gun. Do this to all 6 pieces. Then join the other ends together also using the glue gun. Also, don't forget to check the description box down below to know where I got all the supplies from. Now take the 20 centimeters long pieces and join them to the other side of the hexagon shape, but this time leave the other ends of the bamboo skewers open without joining all of them together. When you glue the skewers, you will realize that it's not firm yet because the glue hasn't dried up. So before gluing the next piece, take a minute to hold the skewer in place until it dries up. Also, as they dry, direct them to the center. Take the center round piece of an electrical tape and glue the open ends to it. Now you can use a wire or even the bamboo skewers, but this fit perfectly to the bulb socket like a glove. The bamboo skewers should be on the outer surface of the round piece and not the other way around. Here I'm just adding more glue to make it more secure. I have been getting a lot of questions about what glue I use when using the hot glue gun, and to answer that, I use glue sticks. They come in white solid sticks, hence the name, and once you connect the glue gun to a power source, it melts the glue to liquid, and when it solidifies, it glues the items together. Spray paint is out here saving lives, and I used a black one. If you loved this kind of content, be sure to comment down below. I really love reading your feedback. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos to see the face behind the awesome DIYs. And I guess that's it for today, guys. I'll get to you right back here next week. Bye!